Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My today's topic is mainly for kids or beginners. Today I will make two very easy and beautiful Independence Day card. It's gonna be super easy and beautiful. So let's get started. First I take one chart paper and cut it in a card shape. You can also do like me or ready-made cutting paper for card is available in market. You can simply buy it. Now I took one green paper and cut it in square shape, 4 semi. Then I will fold it in triangle shape as you can see in the video. Then we'll draw petals and cut it. Keep watching. And here my flower is ready. The same way I made 6 flowers, 2 white, 2 orange and 2 green. In this video I will make 2 cards. Video will be too long so I skip the other flower making. Now I will stick all the flowers with Fevicol. Keep watching. Here I draw 2 lines and will color it with the help of pastel color. You can use any color. Now I will make twigs with a black pen. Here I took glittery paper and will cut few round shape and stick it in the middle of the flower. I am wishing Happy Independence Day. And now my first card is done. Hope you will like it. Now let's start the second card. First again I took one white chart paper and cut in a card shape. Here with help of the compass I draw few round shape because I will make mandala art here. Now I am using acrylic color. I take orange and green color and will paint on my hand. See the video. Now I will touch the paper and see it gonna be like this. Now with the black pen, here I will do mandala art. Keep watching. And here my mandala art is done. Now we'll do blue color in the middle. Now we'll write Happy Independence Day. And here is the final look. See, is not it too easy and beautiful? I like it. Hope you will like it too. If you like this video, then do like and share. If you are a new viewer on my channel, then do check out my other videos too. And if you like, then do subscribe my channel to get all the notification on time. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.